Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book Review. Today I am going to review Class 11 SL Arora book. So let's start the video. This book comes in 2 volumes and its writer is SL Arora sir. This book is best for board examination. I will prefer this book as a reference book for class 11 physics. So I'm going to review volume 1. It's the content of the book. You can see the syllabus of class 11 physical world unit and measurement. It has volume 1 has 8 chapters. This one is the last chapter. It is gravitation. You can see chapter 0 is also there. This is for general information, that is mathematical tools. You can see basic mathematical tools which are used in physics numericals. While solving numericals, you will find these. Mensuration, trigonometrical ratios. You can see values of trigonometrical ratios of some standard angles. These things you are going to you will have to use in solving numericals. Even you can see differential calculus. So let's come in second chapter, that is unit and measurement. As I've already read this chapter, so I can easily tell you all the advantages of this book. So you can see the first topic is need for measurement. It has even given a question, explain the need for measurement in physics. The way the questions are asked with us in our examination, it is given like that only. You can see physical quantities, fundamental derived quantities, the measuring process, physical unit and the desirable characteristics. These things I think are not given in NCERT physics books. You can see CGS system, FPS system explained in detail with flow charts, definition of base supplementary units, and historical view of base SI units. And then here is coherent system of unit. It is not given in NCERT. SI unit, everything is given in detail and in simplified manner. Okay, simplified manner, relationships, practical units are given, conversions units are given. With each topic, many numericals are given for your practice. You can see problems for practice with examples, lots of examples. Order of magnitude is explained very well. You can see, and there are problems for your practice. If you will solve these problems, you will surely score good marks in your exams. You can see indirect method for measuring large distances given in detail. And now here is just describe a method to measure diameter of moon or any planet. You can see multiple questions are there, the way we are asked in our exams, and examples also are given. You can see describe a method for measuring the molecular size of oleic acid is given with numerous flow charts, mass and weight. Problems are there. Okay, inertial and gravitational masses with diagrams it is given, which will make your understanding really nice. Measurement of time. You can see various problems, questions are given. Now there is dimension of physical quantity. Yeah, this is the best thing I think. It is given all the dimension with formulas, with their SI unit, physical quantity. You can see all the physical quantity with their formulas, with the dimensional formulas, and with SI unit. It is given very nicely. All the formulas are given. Yeah, even examples are also there. Conversion of derivation of dimensional formulas. Lots of problems for our practice also given. Different types of variables, constant, conversion of one system of unit to another. Now checking the dimensional consistency of a equation with examples it is given. If you will solve these questions now, your concept will be clear very nicely. Numerous questions are there. Significant figures, errors in measurement, their formulas, combination of errors. Everything is given nicely with their multiple questions. Now you can see very short answers, conceptual problems. These things we are asked in our board exams. Lots of short answers, lots of numericals, guidelines to NCERT exercises, NCERT questions with answers it is given in this book. You can see now objective type question MCQs are there. Lots of questions are there. Lots of questions. Text based questions are also there. Answers are given. So now here is competition section for G or NEET. If you're preparing for G NEET, this is useful, but I will not prefer you this book, as this is not that it is not given that much. Like you can see G Advance. For G Advance, you can take this book for boards. You should consider different book for NEET or G if you're practicing. I will not advise you this book, because this book is best for boards only. So yeah, all I wanted to say that this book is the best reference book for class 11, but only for boards. For NEET or for G, if you're preparing, you should consider another books, because this book is, I think this book is only for boards. So yeah, if you want to purchase this book, I'm going to provide you the link in the description, and if you want to have a PDF of this book, you can download from the description. I'm going to give you 2 chapters or 3 chapters, however chapters I can able to. So yeah, I will be providing in my description box. So if you find this video good, informative, so please like, subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.